Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Green Kitchen Channel. Today, we're going to prepare some delicious tofu nuggets, which can be a great plant-based comfort food for anyone. Their taste is quite similar to the chicken nuggets we all know, although, of course, don't expect them to be exactly the same. However, I guarantee they are really tasty and it's worth trying them out. To make about 20 nuggets, we'll need 2 blocks of tofu like these. Let's cut each block into 10 equally thick slices, about 1 centimeter thick. Now, we can lay out all the tofu slices on a cloth, cover them, and gently pat them with our hands to dry them well. If we want to make them more similar to classic nuggets, we can trim the corners, giving an oval shape to our tofu pieces. Now, we're ready to coat the tofu pieces. We'll need 4 tablespoons of cornstarch or all-purpose flour in one bowl, half a cup of unsweetened plant-based milk in another bowl, and in a third bowl, we'll combine about 1 cup of breadcrumbs with 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, if you have it. Unfortunately, I ran out. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a pinch of black pepper. If you like, you can also add a pinch of garlic powder. Mix everything together and we're ready to start. Take each piece of tofu and coat it first with cornstarch, then dip it in the plant-based milk, and finally cover it with breadcrumbs, gently pressing your fingers to coat it well. Repeat the process with all the tofu pieces, and then we can cook them in 2 ways. We can fry them as is often done with chicken nuggets, or we can bake them. If baking, lay them out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Brush them with a little oil and bake them in a static oven at 210 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, flipping them halfway through cooking. Once they're cooked, here they are. Delicious, flavorful, crispy on the outside, and soft on the inside. I recommend eating them right away, but you can also store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze them. Remember, the ingredients are listed in the video description, including any older videos. That's all for today, and we'll see you very soon here on the Green Kitchen Channel in the next video.